Alright, let's have a look. In here, where the toilet will go. Shower. V-berth. As you can see, all the doors all open and work good. We'll just need to coat of varnish and sand back in the coat of varnish. Got to repaint the ceiling. Got to gel coat all that in here. That's all easy, or flow coats. That's all easy to wipe out and clean. Surprisingly, I hooked a battery up and all the electrics works. I'm redoing it all anyway. It's all been replaced. Staves all mounted back in on the gimbal. All seems to be good and working. Fresh water pump works. Yeah, aft cabin. There's a binnacle on the wheel. That's where I'm going to mount the sail drive, right down in here. Or it used to be under the cockpit. It's now going to be in the aft cabin. That's where they come with sail drives. So yeah, but the hull's in really good order. There's no soft spots in the deck. Old Rob Leggy, he built a really good hull when he made it. It's the only old boat I've looked at that hasn't got soft spots. It's the deck's perfect. Oh yeah, mast step's broken. I've got a new one to go with this mast. It's a little bit bigger mast section than before because it had a fold down mast, but it's not going down. It's going to be all rigged with Dyneema. I'm going to do myself. Lots of figuring out to do. All the winches work and they all need pulling apart and service, and every fitting in the deck obviously needs to be pulled off and bedded in. But yeah, there's I'll put new Lexan in the hatch top. It doesn't leak. It's just you can't see through it. Maybe I'll just leave it for now and I'll deal with it later. I'll just make new windows out of tinted Lexan. Yeah, spinnaker pole. Yeah, well, that's Pisces.